Hello students, welcome back to our channel Learn with Sahira. Students, in this video I am going to say you all damn sure important questions of environmental studies. E.V.S. E.V.S is a non-core subject ma. You can also say it is a set paper. Okay, so this paper will be only for 40 marks. Yes ma, not 50, only 40 marks, and these 40 marks are divided into two parts. Part A and Part B. Part A will consist of short questions. Okay, and Part B, as usual, it will contain long questions ma. So how the paper pattern will be, let me discuss. So in the part A, children, you will be having four questions. Question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So from these four questions, you need to attempt any two questions. Okay. If you attempt any two question, one question will carry you 5 marks. So 2 into 5, how much ma? It is 10 marks. So your part A will consist of 10 marks, children. So don't neglect it. Few children, what they will think means, it is non-core subject, no, easily we can pass, nothing to study, we can write by our own, they will think like that. But it is not like that ma'am. Many of the students, they will get passed in the subjects and languages, but what happens, here in the environmental studies, non-core, like basic computer skills, environmental studies, environmental science, like that set papers, they will get failed by few marks. So don't do this mistake. You have to give the equal importance to the non-core subject also. Okay, so part A is consisting of 10 marks, and here part B, how the part B will be, let me say you all. So in the part B, you will be having again four questions mark. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. But here you will be having internal choice. Okay, so either you can go with question 1 or 2. See, it will be not be like this. Question number 1, 2, what they will say, they will give one question, and A, B will be there in the one question, then second question will be there, in that again A and B will be there. Either you should write A or you should write B. If you are writing A, you have to leave the B ma. If you are writing B, you have to leave A. So it is your environmental question paper pattern. Part B will consist of how many marks, children? 30 marks. Okay, each question will carry you 15 marks ma. Yes, each question will carry you 15 marks. From part A you will get 10 marks, from part B you will get 30 marks. In total you will get 40 marks from E.V.S. So try to score at least 35 above in this examination ma. Easily you can attempt the question paper and easily you can score 35 plus ma, no doubt in that. You just follow my tips and tricks and go with these questions. No need to go with other questions. If you just be perfect with these questions, then for sure you can get 35 plus ma, no doubt. After writing the exam, you will only be commenting that ma'am, my exam was very good. Okay, so let us see that at that time. Now let us discuss short questions ma. I'm first saying you short questions. So short questions, only two units are there in your E.V.S. Only 2 units, not 3, 4, 5 like other subjects. This is non-core subject, no. So you will be having only 2 units. So from unit number 1, your short questions are, I will be reading very fastly ma, because it will again become a long video. And don't worry, at the time of non-core subject, I will explain whole thing, how to write the answers, how to attempt the answers, what is the procedure, how to do everything in the E.V.S to score 35 plus. I will be uploading when you are having the examination. Okay, so don't worry, I am just uploading important questions now. You be perfect with these questions. How to keep the answers on the answer booklet, I will be uploading later. Okay, so let us go. What are the biotic components of the ecosystem? First question. Second one, what are genetic banks? Third question is, state the different resources of energy. Fourth one, differentiate between renewable and non-renewable energy resources. This question we are learning from the fifth class ma. So very easy. So fifth one is, what is biogas? What is biogas? List the objectives of rainwater harvesting. This is the I think this question have been printed here again at the same time. So sixth question is, write the objectives of rainwater harvesting. Seventh one, mention the ways of rainwater harvesting. Eighth one, decomposers. Okay, these are from your unit 1. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot, or you just like my video and keep in your mobile. In the like videos it will appear. Okay, so in unit 2, first question is Wildlife Protection Act, global warming, write about ozone layer depletion, list out the preventive measures of air pollution, state the different types of air pollution control equipments, what are the harmful effects due to the presence of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, mention the types of disaster, mention the types of disaster. Here again the same question have been printed, so this question is not there, only mention the types of disaster. What is greenhouse effect? Discuss the causes of earthquakes and floods. Explain briefly about disaster management and way. Okay, this again it have printed some print mistake have been happened. So this is explain briefly about disaster management. These are your short questions from unit 2 unit 1 short questions we have completed, and unit 2 also short questions we have completed. Now let us go with the long questions which will carry you 15 marks Okay, so it is not like that you have to buttify the answer, you have to remember the answer, you have to write in the answer sheet. It is not like that. You just understand the concept, understand the answer, and you can write in your own words also. Okay, write an account on rainwater harvesting and watershed management, define environmental studies and discuss its scope and importance. This is important question they may ask you, and in the short questions also they will ask you like define environmental studies, like that, what is EVS, they may ask you. Okay, so write an account on species and ecosystem diversity. This is also really very important. Okay, write an account on species. This is the repeated question here, from here it came here. Okay, write briefly about ex situ conservation of biodiversity. This is also important explain the structure of an ecosystem and classification of ecosystem. Write in brief about water conservation. This you can write in your own words, not at all you should read this you can write very own. You just once look at the topic, look at the answer, you can write by your own. What is an ecological pyramid? Explain various types of ecological pyramids. D should not come here. E and also E. Explain the interaction and interdependency of biotic and abiotic parts of nature. They may ask you in the short questions what are biotic and abiotic parts, or what is mean by biotic, what is mean by abiotic. They may ask in the short questions also. So unit 1 long questions completed let us go to the unit 2. Write an account on causes of effects of air pollution. They may also ask you like write a different type of pollutions, like write different types of pollution. How many types will be there that too? Water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, all that pollutions you have to write. Okay, write about the role of information technology in environment and human health. Write briefly about disaster management. Describe briefly about causes and control measures of water pollution. What are the major classes of pollutants? If you be perfect with these questions, then for sure you can get good marks in your E.V.S examination Don't worry at all about the non-core subject, and don't neglect like it is non-core subject, so I should not read. No, not like that. It is easy, but you have to take care. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and also share this video with your friends so that it will be helpful for them also. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.